My story is I grew up in a really small town. I'm the oldest of 5 children. I always knew I wanted to be an attorney. I remember growing up, people would be so impressed whenever they said, Cameron's gonna be a lawyer one day. And so that's just always been my childhood dream. I enjoy being challenged intellectually, and that's what the law does for me. I also like people. I practice personal injury here in Albuquerque. Originally, I actually started working out for the insurance companies. A common path whenever you get out of law school is the first job that's available is working for insurance, because insurance companies are cheap and they like cheap lawyers. And so the younger lawyers usually get gobbled up. Eventually, most attorneys, including myself, realized that this isn't the type of rewarding work that we were looking for. There's no appreciation for it. Doesn't matter how much money you save the company, how well you do on a case. The best result you could get for the client, or the best feedback you could hope to get, is probably just a good job email. I actually had a drawer where I would print off those emails and I would stick them in there, and I think, working there 3-4 years, I had maybe 6 pieces of paper. I find working with people who have never been through a car accident much more rewarding. It's much more impactful. Saving some CEO in the Bahamas 50 grand is a lot different than putting 50 grand in somebody from the South Valley's pocket. It could be life-changing for them. So I really enjoy what I do. I work with my wife, who's my better half. She is an incredible lawyer. I affectionately refer to her as my secret weapon. People will be very impressed with me sometimes, only to find out that most of my good ideas come from her. So I'm very fortunate, and we're believers. We make it a priority to put God first, not only in our personal lives, but also in our professional lives. We believe that God has a purpose for us in this practice, and that is to help people to dole out justice, even if it's just in handling a small insurance claim or making sure that a company who's negligent is held responsible. I'm very, very fortunate because I love what I do. I had somebody ask me, if they didn't pay you, would you still do it? And I said, absolutely. I'd still go to work every day, even if I had to do it for free.